Hey everybody, my name is Benny and let me just quickly give you my thoughts on this slow cooker that I've been using for the last couple of months because I absolutely love it. Now this slow cooker has a pretty compact design. It measures 11.4 times 9.2 times 8.5 inches in size, which I found to be perfect to save some space on the countertop. At the same time, with a capacity of 6 quarts, it's big enough for most purposes, so for me, the size was perfect. It's very easy to use as well. You have this dial control for 2 heat settings, low and high, and then you can set the cooker to the warm setting after cooking so your food can stay warm and plate ready all day. So just add your ingredients, choose your preferred setting, and then just forget about it. I found that most slow cookers take ages to heat up, but this one takes like 5 minutes to get hot. I usually use it for stews, soups, or chilies, but you can use it for many more purposes as well. You can also use it on the stovetop or in the oven. What I also really liked is how easy this slow cooker is to clean. So the insert here is non-stick, which is great, and it's also dishwasher safe. And the glass lid is also dishwasher safe. I also found the product to be very high quality. The base is made of stainless steel and the insert is made of aluminum. After using it for several months, I'm still very happy with the quality and feel comfortable that it stands the test of time. For further peace of mind, it also comes with a 1-year assurance provided by Chefman. So yeah, all in all, I'm just super happy with this slow cooker and can definitely recommend it.